What a talented kitty!
Shirley's got talent. It sure does.
Once we actually had a glass, it was upside down with a treat in it, and he tipped it, he figured out how to tip it over and get it out. The bowls, yeah.
Milk and bacon.
She just slipped.
He must think it's like Christmas. Look, 3 in 1. Good for you.
She's getting more praise than like.
I'm going to lose an eye in a minute.
It's like like those motivations.
Yeah,
stuff.
which is
Oh.
underneath the dog head.
This is amazing. This is quality.
That should be on Jay Leno. Or is it Letterman with the tigers and the...
Rosie, what's he doing?
Rosie.
He's stealing my bacon, that's what he's doing.
Come on, dog. You know you want the bacon.
A double D.
Come on,
She just
you want
goes-
some bacon?
Oh, not tossed on
I've
actually.
been
No,
pretty good.
bacon's better. Oh, sloppy Tigger, sloppy.
Poor form, poor form.